promote this link, and let's say a person comes here and signs up for the affiliate system. Let's say I am putting an email ID here which I have not used before. So let's say I will put one of my email IDs, and let's say I'm putting a phone number. So that would be a number which I have not used before. It has to be a unique lead. So as soon as the lead registers for the launch webinar, because launch webinar is the best way to go ahead and sell my internship program. So what will happen is that it will say thank you. And now let's go ahead and have a look at this particular dashboard. I will refresh this. And you can see that the amount that can be earned is 1000 rupees. The lead that I just generated has come in here. You will be also getting the email ID and the phone number of the leads that you have referred. So this person has registered for the webinar, and then I would send out an email to them to go ahead and attend my webinar. And in my webinar, I will be explaining about my internship program. And in the internship program, if they are convinced, they can go ahead and make the payment. And once the payment is made, it will say amount earned is this much. So what I'm going to show you is that what happens is that as soon as they submit that form for registering for the launch webinar, there is also a landing page which gives you all the details about the internship program. So here there is a payment link. If they click on the payment link, it will go to this particular page where they can make the payment. And there is testimonials, there is all the details that you need about the program, that the person needs about the program. And you can see there is a banner here, there is reviews here, and all that, pretty much all the details that is required is available here. So it says what are the 7 classes and assignments, assignment 1, assignment 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and how much they will earn for every assignment, and what is the bonus. So total potential earnings that they will have is 12,000. So if people go ahead and get convinced just through this sales page and go ahead and make the payment, then also you will get credited immediately. If they don't make the payment here, I will be doing a webinar for them, and then if they convert, then you will get credited. If not, you can also call this lead. You can send a mail to this lead and call this lead and convince them to go ahead and purchase my internship program, in which case you will earn the money. So let's go ahead and transact. So what I will do is that instead of paying the 10,800, I will just create a discount code for test purposes. So I will be deactivating this anyway. But I will show you how the process works. So let's assume that the person is making a payment of 10,800, which is 10,000 plus GST. So this is how it will be. So name is Deepak. The email ID, the same email ID that I have used, should be entered here. So some people have told me that some people enter an email ID on the landing page, which will be different. And for payments, they will enter a different email ID. So what we have done is that either the email ID or the phone number should match. If either one matches, so you will still get credited. There is very less chance that people will have 2 different phone numbers. And if there are entering 2 different phone numbers, one on the landing page and one on the payment, they still might enter the same email ID, right? So either one, if it matches, we are going to track it. So if they are using a different email ID and a different phone number, then it will be difficult to track it. It has to be tracked manually, which is not an option right now. We will still plan how to do it. But right now, this is what we have. So let's say the person, the lead, which we generated, makes the payment. So this payment can be as soon as they visit the landing page, or it can be as soon as you call them and ask them to convert, or they might attend my webinar. I will be inviting them for a webinar, and then they will go ahead and convert there. So either way, now the payment has been made, which means that if you go ahead and refresh this page, you can see that the person has paid. So because the transaction is done, InstaMojo passes the data back into our system, and you can see that the payment has been done, and the amount that is earned is 1,000 rupees. So now you can generate more leads and encourage them to pay. And as you keep generating leads, you will earn more and more money. And all this money that you collect will be settled at the end of every month. Once we verify that there are no refunds or anything like that, and once we verify that these are genuine payments, we will be paying you the affiliate commission. In the future, we will be adding more resources. So here you can see there is a resources section. So I need to update resources section where you will have swipe files, creatives, and all those things you can use. And there are terms and conditions which you have to agree. You should not be spamming. You should not be referring yourself. And one more question that people ask is that, let's say you refer a lead and someone else also refers the same lead. So the person who is referring the lead for the first time is the one who is going to get this lead. If there is another person, so let's say this particular lead is generated by another person, that lead will not even show up on the database. It has to be unique and it has to be first time. So that is how this system works. Let me go ahead and show you once more how it works. So let's say somebody enters their details on the landing page here. Click here for the launch register for the launch webinar. It also redirects to the sales page, but ideally we should have the next lead which comes up here. So here you can see the another lead that I have generated has come up here. So you can go ahead and track all the leads, try to convert all the leads. You are not just an affiliate, but also like a salesperson who will promote people to join the internship program batch 3. And you can either go ahead and tell them to go ahead and convert and make the payment. So if they make the payment immediately after they see the landing page, then you are going to get the earnings immediately. So there is no limit to the amount of people you can refer, and there is no limit to the amount of money you can earn. If you refer 10 people, you will earn 10,000. If you refer 100 people, you will earn 1 lakh. So this is my affiliate system. I will be launching my affiliate system for other products I have as well. But for now, it's for the internship program. I hope you like this program, and all the best to go ahead and make money with it. Promote this as much as possible. So it's going to help you. It's going to help me as well. Thanks a lot. See you. Bye-bye.